Is there anybody here expecting something, expecting God to do something in your life? Come on, come on. Are you really expecting something for God to do in your life? Why don't you give God just the biggest praise that you can give him? Faith in God is not seeing something, but knowing something. Although I may not see the manifestation of my healing, although I may not see the manifestation of my financial blessings, I still believe God is going to do it. How many people just believe God? And since you know the Lord is going to do it, I'm going to just tell you that any day now, the Lord is going to do it. So we need to just wait on his promises. Hallelujah. And it won't be long. So we're going to sing this song. Hopefully you can sing it with us. It just simply says, any day now. Any day now, the Lord is gonna do just what he said, and I don't know how. All I know is any day now, the Lord is gonna do. How many people believe that? Hallelujah. Just what he said. Everybody sing it. Any day now.
Any day now.
Look at your neighbor and say, any day now.
Any day now.
I know the Lord is going to do.
The Lord is gonna do
exactly what he told me that he would do.
just what he said.
And I don't know how he's going to do it.
I don't know how.
But my faith says that any day now,
Any day now.
the Lord is going to do
The Lord is gonna do
just what he said. Hallelujah.
just
Come on, everybody, y'all should know it right now. Everybody say any day now.
any day now.
Any day now.
Any day now.
The Lord is going to
The Lord is gonna do
I have the faith to believe just what he said.
just what he said.
I know
I don't
that
know
I don't know how.
any day now.
The Lord is gonna
The Lord is gonna do
do. Hallelujah. I think y'all got it out there. Can you sing it with us? Everybody lift your voice in here today and say, any day,
any day now.
any day now. Just wave that hand in the air. Say the Lord is gonna
The
do.
Lord is gonna do
I'm a living testimony that God will do it for you.
just what he said.
I don't know how.
I don't know how.
All I know,
Any day now.
the Lord is gonna do
The Lord is gonna do
just what he said.
just
Listen, while you're waiting on your blessing, this is what you should do. You should just be like, I'm watching, waiting, anticipating, for I know he will do. Hallelujah. What he said he would do. I'm gonna sing it just one more time. I'm gonna say it all. I'm watching, waiting, anticipating, for I know he will do what he said he would do. Come on, Lifestyles, help them sing it. Everybody say, I'm watching,
watching,
and I'm waiting,
waiting,
and I'm anticipating,
anticipating,
for I know
for I know he will do
what he said he would do.
what he said he would do.
And I am watching,
Watching,
I'm waiting,
waiting,
anticipating,
anticipating,
for I know.
for I know he will do
One more time.
what he said he
Here we go right here. Everybody say, I'm watching,
watching,
I'm waiting,
waiting,
and I'm anticipating a move from the Lord. Say it again, say watching, watching,
watching,
I'm waiting,
waiting,
and I'm anticipating God. Anybody out there just watching, watching,
watching,
Just what he said.
Just what he said.
I don't know.
I don't know how. All I know is any day now.
The Lord is gonna do
The Lord is gonna do
just what he said.
just what he said.
Any day now.
Any day.
Put your hands together, give God praise on today. Hallelujah.